Hey, what are you doing here? Shouldn't you be at work?
They sent me home. They said I can't work if I'm sick.
Oh, I'm so sorry you're sick.
I'm not sick. I don't get sick. Getting sick is for weaklings. It's for pansies.
Honey, no one thinks that you're a pansy, but we do think that you need a tissue.
I have not been sick in over 3 years.
This talk is for you if you sneeze a lot in the springtime.
Oh, now I'm mad at you.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Hey, what are you doing here? Shouldn't you be at work?
They sent me home. They said I can't work if I'm sick.
Oh, I'm so sorry you're sick.
I'm not sick. I don't get sick. Getting sick is for weaklings. It's for pansies.
Honey, no one thinks that you're a pansy, but we do think that you need a tissue.
I have not been sick in over 3 years.
I'm gonna grab you some tissue.
I don't need a tissue. I'm fine.
When you put a D at the end of fine, you're not fine.
I'm fine. I'm fine. You know, it's a really hard word to say.
Yeah, of course. Oh no! He's fine. Her average is 12. 1. She's gonna do it. And a 5, a 6, a 7, and a 8. What's happening? What is going on? 6. All right, 5 more.
Okay, so what do you want to do? Let's do something crazy.
I know, let's rest and drink lots of fluids.
Okay, I'll rest. But, you know, if I'm going to bed, then you're coming with me.
See, that would be impossible to resist if you weren't all drippy here.
Are you saying that you don't want to get with this?
Yeah, I don't think you should say that even when you're healthy.
Wait, you think my sneeze is cute? Really nothing special. I'm gonna sneeze. Come to think of it, people always tell me that it sounds like the sneeze of a little fairy or a fictional princess, but I really never recognized it as being something special. I mean, it's just a regular sneeze to me. People always accuse me of having a fake sneeze, and then I have to be like, sorry, no, this is just how I sneeze. Like, who would invent a fake sneeze for themselves? See, that was my fake one.
Come on.
Don't take this personally, okay? It's just that I just can't have sex with a sick person.
I'm with you, Chandler. I mean, I can't have sex with a sick person either. That's disgusting. But I'm not sick. Let me prove it to you. We are two healthy people in the prime of life.
See, that's the thing. I would like to stay in the prime of life.
I can take your man if I want to. But like you be
Honestly, fuck it, I'm leaving it like this. Alright, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my fucking god, sorry. My bad. Ew, I did it on my eyeballs. I'm just reading my comments. Guys, I love you. But I didn't even mean but.
you, I don't want to. Why you coming at me with the attitude?
Oh, what is it, honey? You need some tea, some soup? Oh.
Calling Dr. Big. Dr. Big to the bed.
Oh, jeez, honey. I thought you were asleep.
How can I be asleep knowing that you were in the next room?
I was asleep. Oh, no, honey. You know what's sexy? Layers.
No.
Layers are sexy, and blankets are sexy, and hot water bottles are sexy.
Come on, get into bed. I want to prove to you that I'm not sick. I want to make you feel as good as I feel. Ash!
Please get some rest.
I'm fine.
I could just go for a walk if I want to go for a walk. I'm gonna go for a walk. Excuse me, whenever the sun sees me.
Slapping on my ego, now I'm mad at you. Now.
Yes.
Oh my god, bless you. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Bless you again. Thank you. No problem. Listen, bitch. You're gonna have to take that one up to God because I'm done. You better go find a blessing from God. What? Sorry, I can't help. I swear to God. Don't. Oh my God. Shut up.
First, I want to say thank you to all of the Neese Tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
I gotta do what I gotta do. Kinda sad, don't even like to do.